My name is Midshipman Justin Roy, roll number 27. Vessel not under command or restricted in their ability to maneuver. Letter A. A vessel not under command shall exhibit. Letter A, number 1. To all around red lights in a vertical line where they can be seen. Letter A, number 2. Two balls or similar shapes in a vertical line where they can be be seen. Letter A, number 3. When making way through the water, in addition to the lights prescribed in this paragraph, side lights and stern lights. Letter B. A vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. Expect vessels engaged in mine clearance operations shall be exhibit. Number 1. Three all-around lights in a vertical lights where they can be seen. The highest and the lowest of these lights shall be red and the middle lights shall be white. Number 2. Three ships in a vertical line where they can be seen. The highest and the lowest of these ships shall be balls and the medals one in the diamond. Number 3. When making way through the white, a masthead light or lights, side lights and stern lights in addition to the lights prescribed in sub paragraph 1. Number 4. When an anchor in addition to the lights or shapes prescribed in sub paragraph number 1 and 2, the lights or shapes prescribed in roll number 30. Letter C. A power-driven vessels engage in towing operations such as severely restrict the towing vessels and her own tow in their ability to deviate from their course shall. In addition to the lights or shapes prescribed in roll number 24, letter A, exhibit the lights or shapes prescribed in subparagraph letter B, number 1 and number 2 of these rules. Letter D. A vessels engaged in dragging or underwater operation when restricted in their ability to maneuver shall exhibit the light and shapes prescribed in subparagraph letter B, number 1 and 2 and 3 of these rules and shall in addition. When obstruction exists, exhibit number 1. Two all-round red or two balls in a vertical line to indicate in the side on which the obstruction exists. Number 2. When two all-round green lights or two diamond in a vertical lights to indicate the side on which another vessels may pass. Number 3. When at anchor the lights or shapes prescribed in paragraphs instead of the lights or shapes prescribed in roll number 30. Letter A. Whenever the size of vessels engaged in diving operation makes it impracticable to exhibit all lights and shapes prescribed in paragraphs letter D of these rules, the following shall be exhibit. Number 1. Three all-round lights in a vertical line where they can be seen. The highest and the lowest of the lights shall be red and the middle light shall be white. Number 2. A rigid replica of the international code flag, letter A, not less than 1 meter in height. Measure shall be taken to ensure its all-round visibility. Letter F. A vessel engaged in mine clearance operation shall, in addition to the lights prescribed for a power-driven vessels in roll number 23, or the lights or the shapes prescribed for a vessels at anchor in roll number 30 as appropriate, Exhibit 3 all round green lights or 3 balls. One of these lights or shapes can be exhibited near the forest head and one of each end of the foreyard. These lights or shapes indicates that it is dangerous for another vessels to approach within 1,000 meters of the mine clearance vessels. Letter G. Vessels of less than 12 meters in length, except those engaged in diving operations, shall not be required to exhibit the light and shapes prescribed in these rules. Letter H. The signals prescribed in these rules are not signals of vessels in distress and requiring assistance. Such as signals are contained in Annex number 4 of this regulation.